Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Plantronics Backbeat 105. So without any further ado, let's first have a look at the box first, and then we'll have a look at the product itself. So as you guys can see over here, the model number is written, and the feature, a few features, and the product's picture is shown over here. On the side it shows the content, what all you get in the box. So you get the earbuds with the microphone, 2-in-1 charge cable, and small, medium and large ear tips, and an instruction manual. So over here, as it says, that you can connect with both iOS and Android devices wirelessly using the Bluetooth. On this side it has 8 hours of true talk and listen time, up to 6 months of deep sleep, and up to 33 feet or 10 meters range, and it weighs for around 29.3 grams. So now let's see for what's the price for it. So this retails for around 3,790, but it is going for a cheaper rate in the Amazon. So I'll have the link of this product in the description down below, so please do check it, and if you are interested you can go for it and buy it. Let me just remove this key. And if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you loved it, hit the subscribe button hard. So as you can see over here, it got the black box, and it comes in only one color variant, that's black. So now let's remove this. Let's keep this product aside. So here it says how you can use it, the get started guide. So as you can see, you want to pause it and have a look at the instruction. It has 3 features where you can use the one button itself for off. If you hold that it for 4 seconds, it will blink and you can connect it to the device. And you can use the same thing button for like playback, volume increase, decrease, and if you hold it for a few seconds, it's gonna show you different things. And if you won't be able to read this manual, and it's in different languages, but not in Hindi or English. Oh, you got the shitty manuals again, waste of paper. Here you get the different types of tips in the small, medium and large. The large tips are already been installed over here. And here is the charging cable. So as you can see, it has a micro USB, and it has a type USB where you can plug it in a port and charge the device, and you can also charge another device by inserting another USB cable and charge it. So that's a really nice thing when you're traveling and you don't want to carry a lot of stuff. So as you can see, it got a rubber and the plastic material which it is made up of. It's a bit flexible, as you can see. And let's get that's it. Over here, this is the right side, as you can see, and this is the left side. And it got magnetic on the earbuds, so which will be able, when you are holding it in your neck, it will be good. And you can use this to turn it on. Just hold for 4 seconds and it will turn out. And I think now the battery is dead, it won't be able to charge. But I've heard that it's got a good amount of sound, and it has a really like not a great bass, but it has ample amount of bass which will make you happy, and it's great for that amount of money which will be spending for the around 4,000 rupees. So that's all guys for the Plantronic Backbeat 105. Let me know how you feel about this, and do hit the subscribe button hard, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.